What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a card trick that you can easily learn within a day. Let's get into it. Now check this out. We'll start off by having the spectator select the card. Let's just say it's this one. Take a look at this card and remember it. Hopefully you got it by now. We'll take it, leave it somewhere in the center of the deck. Give the deck a few cuts. Nothing too crazy, but also not anything too uncrazy. Okay, there we go. We do a decent shuffle. Now, I'm going to ripple through the side of the pack, and the spectator is just going to call out stop. Let's just say here. Cool. Now, I'm guessing that your card is probably one of the top 4 cards. So I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, and now let me show them to you. So we have the 8 of spades. We have the 9 of spades, we have the Queen of clubs, and we have the 7 of hearts. But now check this out. Check this out. Leave this here, leave this here. If I just snap my fingers, we'll see that there are only 3 cards remaining here. And your card has vanished from this packet. And if we take a look into the deck, we'll see that there's one card face up, and that is your card, the 8 of spades. Now, getting right into how it's done, it's actually quite simple to do. Of course, we start off by having the spectator select a card. Let's just say this card, the 9 of hearts. So now we're going to take the 9 of hearts and stick it somewhere in the center of the deck, but we're going to do something special with it. Okay? We're actually, as we stick it into the deck, we're going to push down on the card with our thumb and move forward. So what this is going to do is it's going to create a thumb break right above where the spectator's card is. So one more time, you take this card, put it right in there, press down and forward, and boom, we have a break. Now we're going to do something known as the double undercut. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I have done a tutorial on the double undercut, and I'll put that in the description below if you want to learn more in depth. But just for this video's purposes, I don't want to make it too long. You're just going to take half of the bottom packet, put it on top, then the rest of the bottom packet, and put that on top as well, pretty much controlling the spectator's card to the top. Okay, and pretty much when I'm doing the shuffle, I do the same thing. I just leave the spectator's card on top, and then I shuffle the cards together. So ultimately, you just want to get the card to the top. Whatever control you want to do, feel free, but this is just what I do. Okay, now once this is done, what I do at this point is I riffle through the side of the pack, and once the spectator calls stop, I don't actually take the bottom packet. It may seem that way if you're not paying attention too closely, but all I'm doing is when I stop here, I roll over the top packet onto my other hand. Okay, so just one more time, riffle to the side, take your index finger, you pivot it around these, grab it with your middle finger, and just toss it over to the other hand. And then you put the rest of the cards to the side. So at this point, the spectator is going to be thinking this is the middle somewhere where they stopped. And at this point, also, spectator's card is on top, and here's where you just say, I think your card is probably among the 4 cards where you called stop. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4 top cards, and you flip them over, and you're going to show them to the spectator. So you can say, I think these are one of these 4 are your cards. So now you show them. We have the 9 of hearts. Now when you peel this card, and then you're going to say the 8 of clubs. Right after you peel this card, you're going to put this card underneath here, right? This card's going to go underneath the deck. And as you peel the next card, you're actually going to grip this card with this hand, okay? So let's just actually go through that one more time. I feel like that may have been too fast. Right, we have the deck face down here. We have these 4 cards. You peel the top card. This whole hand goes underneath, right? The hand that just peeled the card goes underneath the deck. And again, you peel the top card with your thumb. And as you're doing this peel, you let go of the card in the back. and just push that onto the deck. So now the 9 of hearts is actually in the deck facing the other way, and then you just count off, you say 9 of hearts, store that away, 8 of clubs, Queen of spades, Queen of hearts. So these are the 4 cards, you just put them down. Okay, now if you take a look here, we have a regular deck with the 9 of hearts face up. So then now you can just casually come here, flip these cards back in the right position, put them underneath, put that to the side, give it a snap, wave. I don't know what these gestures are, just some kind of gesture with magic. You can, I don't know, pick out fake imaginary card, put it in there, whatever you want to do. Then you show the spectator that there are only 3 cards, your card is vanished, and then you just spread out here, and you show them that their card is right here, the 9 of hearts. So that pretty much wraps up this trick. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.